Good morning, guys. We are in Schaumburg, Illinois for the Wandering Planners / Scrapbook Expo. We just got up, we just got ready. Hi! We are going to get ourselves some breakfast before the workshop.
Yeah.
We've heard that Wildberry is very good. It's in this like area, this like local area.
So we're gonna go get some wild berries.
We're gonna get some wild berries.
I was just walking in the street, not looking at vehicles.
I'm looking around.
You did not check left twice. Or are you supposed to do right twice? One of them twice. You didn't do one.
I went to safety school as a kid. I'm just inherently aware.
That's not true. You're the most klutzy person I've ever met. You hit your head on the car door, and then in reacting to that, you hit your arm on the door.
That's true.
And then also stubbed your leg within 1 second. It was like one move. It was like if it was karate, it would have been like master level execution of 3 punches within half a second.
Yeah.
Instead, you did it to yourself.
It's a combat art. Showroom floor. That food was amazing. Basically really happy that we don't have those places in Michigan because it was too good. It was just too good. So we are just wandering around checking it out before our workshop. Alex is loving it. This kid loves these things. And it is packed, and also we've seen a lot of our friends already, which is really cool. And it's busy. It's busy.
Here's this Lost Kitties milk carton that Amy gave to me. If you recall, she recently gifted me a Poppy's pillowcase that I lost my mind over. So
bribery is always the best way to start a friendship.
Exactly.
It's a strength.
Anything kitty is to Kayla's heart. Yes.
So it's a milk carton?
Oh. And then they're like
in it. Oh, okay.
It's like a dispenser.
Oh. Do you eat it? It's like sealed like food.
I think it's like a Play-Doh.
What?
Like, I don't, 1 second. We're getting there.
I'm so confused.
Oh, it is kind of.
Oh.
There's 1 million of them in there?
Oh, goodness.
I don't even know what's happening right now.
What is this?
Okay, sticker. Important.
Okay, stickers are important.
Got it. Love it.
Okay.
Appropriate.
A shell. And I think it's like a Play-Doh putty.
Are you supposed to like dig into
Yeah,
it? Yeah. What are we looking at here? This is play, or this is like that stuff as a kid where you put down and it. Silly putty. Silly putty. Yeah, that's like silly putty-esque, but like more doughy.
More stickers. We got
okay,
stickers. We got dough.
All right, what's in the bag? What's in the bag?
I can't open this. Oh, it's already ripped for me.
Lost Kitties.
It's supposed to be kitty litter? I don't know. A little kitty?
It's a little cat.
It's like a little bird.
And he's in a fish
Is it a
bowl.
cat or a bird? Oh, and he's got a fish in his mouth.
This is amazing.
That's adorable.
This is ridiculous.
You might have just started something.
Look what you did.
Why are you like this?
Look what you did.
I don't know what you do with the Play-Doh, right? Like, that's the thing. He's so nerdy. Wait, I can't focus. Focus on it.
It's you as a cat.
Green's not my color.
It is now.
It is meow. And we're at Wandering Planners.
Sorry about all the mess.
Our peeps are here. Wandering Planners. I always read fonts as though they're like sounds, so that to me that's the Wandering Planners. I don't know, I do it all the time in the car. Kayla makes fun of me. I made a computer for the nerd.
He totally did.
Because it's me, so that's my life.
And this is his cell phone because he's always on his cell phone.
That is also me, because I live with my cell phone. in my hand.
This is the most ridiculous
All
thing
the
I've
time.
ever experienced.
This is, the clay is, that's a,
Because they're in it. They're like
but I
buried.
get it because it's fun. Like as a kid, like I'll play with those, but like
But then you could
I would keep playing with Play-Doh. I honestly,
Heidi's just laughing.
it's like oddly satisfying.
Workshop started.
Oh, yeah.
She's so famous and humble.
So we are at IKEA because it is across from our hotel. So we're just doing a little shopping. That's our cart, hanging out. I would love a hot dog right meow, but we got a whole other floor. I actually really like this layout of this IKEA over the one in Detroit. Hi little buddy. I'm weirdly fascinated by this situation. I know like Europe people are like, duh. Big cities who have to have buildings like multiple floors. Duh, Kayla, duh.
Some things just should not be.